How to fix DisplayLink 4K docking station not detecting monitor. So a few things you can troubleshoot to eventually stop this little error, I suppose. Not really an error, but a little technical issue that's happening with your DisplayLink and then your monitor. So first of all, make sure the DisplayLink manager or DisplayLink drivers are properly installed and updated. You can do this in their official website to download their latest version for your operating system, and after installing, you can restart your computer completely. Then next, if you're using, let's say, a PC, you can make sure both your DisplayLink is connected properly. You can check that your dock, like your display 4K docking station, is receiving power and that the monitor cable is securely connected. So make sure both of them has power. You should be able to see indicator lights over here in the bottom, and if there's an option to do so, go ahead and press on a turn on button on your monitor. So other than that, make sure your wires are pretty much stable. Make sure you're using wires that are not broken. You can test this on other devices to see if they work with each other. And if it does, then that means your wire isn't the problem. So with that in mind, you can just go ahead and continue with the process. Usually it's just automatic once you connect your wire from the DisplayLink into the monitor and to whatever main source you have, it should just directly connect automatically. But you can always go ahead into your device settings. So go into your PC settings, which should look something like this. You can go ahead and zoom in first. So in your settings, go ahead into your system over here, and in system you should be able to see a display option. In display, go ahead to the scale and layout and press on multiple displays over here. Now once you go ahead and press on multiple displays over here, you'll have two options, either to detect other display or to connect to a wireless display. So since you have a wired option, you can go ahead and press on detect over here. But again, make sure you have successfully connected your DisplayLink to your monitor and then to your main source. So once that's done, you can just go ahead and press on detect over here. You could press and connect on this option, but only if you have a wireless display. So if the monitor still isn't detected, you could always go ahead and check the display settings here in your PC settings. You could update your graphic drivers. You can allow screen recording on Mac, since on Mac OS DisplayLink requires screen recording permission under the privacy and security. Or you could always try a different USB port on your PC. So just go into your little PC, your amazing PC, and try different USB ports for your DisplayLink. So you can always try unplugging and power cycling everything, your PC, your monitor, and just go ahead and retry it all. But this time, make sure they're already connected beforehand. But those are a few things you can put in mind if your monitor isn't detected by the DisplayLink 4K docking station. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.